Hello guys. I'm gonna be saving up for an avatar today because I see an avatar I love a lot. By the way, no core blocks or headless, so it won't be that much Robux. So I'm gonna be showing you it right now. Here it is, and this avatar is only like a little bit of Robux, and yeah. And I'm going to be showing you the price right now so you can maybe donate to me. So here's how much it is if you can see the price tag, the price of it. You should be looking at outfit price and it should say it. Isn't that cheap? And some items I already have, so that's why it's cheap. Only like 905 Robux. So I'll be showing you my account to, donate to. Let me just get off of this. And here's my account. My name is Coca-Cola right now, but if you look at the bottom of Coca-Cola, Boom Shakalaka, it's my real name. Don't ask why is it. And my name should also be in my profile, like in YouTube. Should be. And you can search this and, just look at it. And, yeah. So if you ever want to donate to me, just go and please donate. Click the gift. I'm just going to show you it right now. Before I show you how, let me just run to hide somewhere. Might take long because I'm super slow. Sprint. Wait, let me claim a boot just in case. Anyways, this should be good. Okay. So all you have to do is just click this and put in the name, and if you want, you can add a message. And boom, I should be seeing them. Anyways, I hope I see Robux in my account. By the way, I am soft-spoken, so if you want, you can turn it up. And this is day 1, by the way.